everyone, in front of me I've got a Xiaomi Redmi 10C and let me share with you how to reset network preferences on this device. So first of all, let's enter the settings, and here we have to find the section connected with the connection and enter connection and sharing. Now let's scroll down to the very bottom, and as you can see right here we've got the option we're looking for, so let's tap. And here your device is informing you that it will reset all network settings including Wi-Fi, mobile data and Bluetooth. So let's tap on reset settings. Your device will ask you if you really want to do it, because that might take several seconds. What's more, you will not be able to undo this action. So if you're ready, just tap on OK. And basically that's all. This is how to, as you can see here, we've got the info that the network settings have been reset successfully. So that's all. This is how to reset network in your Xiaomi Redmi 10C. Thank you so much for watching. I hope that this video was helpful, and if it was, please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.